Hello everyone, good morning, and it has been long time. I have restarted this asking question thing FAQ in the group, and you all have asked lot of questions. I'm very happy that I got lot of questions to to be asked. So this question is very interesting, wherein one of the parent have asked question number 15. Yes, one of the parent have asked that my child is communicating very comfortably. I mean, I don't have to prompt her. She is communicating by herself with a set of people. She have mentioned about sister, then mother, father, like that, a list. So that those people, she's child is very comfortable communicating, but there is a list of people who child is not showing by herself. She is not expressing. Mother have to prompt her, then only she is communicating. So mother have asked why this is happening. So it's very clear to me why it is happening. Now I suggest the mother that please you observe how they are talking to her. Are they very dominating you when they are using their words? Some people are very naturally dominating. They don't they don't want they don't plan it. Okay, that is the way they talk. Okay, and maybe child is very sensitive and feels scared of sounds, some sounds which are very loud, kind of. Okay, dominating sounds. There can be many reasons. I'm just trying to make you go through what all reasons it can be, because I have not personally seen those people how they are talking to her. Okay, so I can just sit here and guess. So my guesses will help you to understand what is happening there. Okay, so one can be the sound is very loud, like the way they are talking. It can be loud, even if they are loving her, like they are talking in a very beautiful manner with a beautiful tone, but still maybe it is loud. That is why she is feeling little like not very confident to open her mouth. Maybe it can be okay because of loudness. Another reason can be that they are not giving her much time to think when they are talking with her, due to which she is getting confused how to answer to them and how to communicate with them. Okay, like for example, a person is asking something, and your child is thinking about how to answer it. Until then the child, that person is again talking something, so not giving much time to process. Okay, what that person have told to your child did not get any time to process it. So that can be one reason that the child lost hope, and maybe child is thinking that better I will not talk to this person, because he is not letting me she is not letting me think and answer, so I'm feeling little demotivated, kind of. Okay, see, these things child is not thinking, it is happening naturally, that child is not able to process. The child becomes mum, doesn't want to talk further. Okay, so see, when you start observing people how they are talking to your child, you will see that some people are very good at talking. They will go very slow. They will come to the eye level of the child and talk and wait for the child to answer and all. Some people are always in a hurry and they won't wait for the child to answer, even answer the questions which they asked her. Like they are into a kind of race, have to reach somewhere, kind of. See, even I am very fast at talking. If you notice, when I'm answering, I'm very fast, and it is very natural for me. I don't plan to talk like this. Okay, I am a little hyper kind of in talking. Okay, but if you notice me talking with my child, And if you hear my conversations with my child, you will notice that I slow down deliberately. I slow down with her, and I don't like, I will ask her something, I'll wait for her, I'll let her take her own time and answer my question and all. So what I'm trying to say is, it doesn't work like we are in a uh, I cannot say that this is my way of doing it. I talk fast, I will talk fast only, kind of. Okay. For our children, we have to slow down. So, what suggestion you can give, if that person, the opposite person, is ready to listen, then you can suggest that person that um, whenever you are talking to my child, come to the eye level of my child and go slow, talk slowly. And if the person is very loud, then ask him to lower the tone. And I know one question will come here, that why should the other person change, kind of, why because the world is not going to change for our children. I totally agree with that. But right now we are working on our children only. Now we are trying to make them understand different people, how different people talk and how they behave. In the starting, we have to go to their level, our children level. Then slowly we will bring our children to other people's level also. Nothing to worry, we are working on that together. We all are working with our children, so don't worry that um, will this make a habit for my child that she will not be able to talk to everyone. It's not true. We are working with our children. We have to slow down first, then they will pick up speed as well. Because I see this happening at home also with my own child, that I don't have to slow down so much like before with my child when I'm talking. So she is improving on daily basis, and we see that improvement happening as a family. So never think that this have to be like this or forever. It is not true. We are working and they keep improving. So I hope I have made it a very long message. Sorry for that. But do let me know if you still did not get the answers, not getting idea, or you have further doubts. Then put a new question in this same section, FAQ section, and I will be able to answer it. Okay, because this is not a small topic. This is a very wide topic. There can be many reasons. So if you observe and find a reason why it is happening, then please put that reason and ask further questions, so that I can discuss it in detail, like specifically according to that reason I can give you answer. Okay, because this kind of thing you have to observe, then only you will come to know what is the reason they are my child is not talking to them. So please observe more when they are talking to each other, and make a note what is happening.